Hi, Milo. You gonna purr? You gonna purr for me? You're a good boy. Where's Ellie? Where's Ellie? Where is she? There she is. Hi, Ellie. Hello, Ellie. It's almost bedtime, guys. Okay? It's almost bedtime, Ellie. Yep. Night-night. Ellie! Ellie! It's almost bedtime. Yep. Bedtime. I love you. Ah, hi, Milo. Be nice. Where's Milo? Where is he? Where's Milo? Where's Milo? Hi, Milo. Good boy. Good boy. Are you good? That's right. What a good boy. What a good boy. You guys are so sweet. Yeah. Night-night. Night. Night-night. Night-night. Good night, Ellie. Night, Ellie. Night, Milo. Bedtime soon. Okay? Time to go to bed. Eat your snacks.